Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel and our series on how to hack the vulnerable bank made by Commando S, one of the best application security engineer you can get. So in this series, you will learn how to exploit some of the vulnerabilities in the web application, how to change them, and how to also defend against that vulnerabilities. So now, the main focus of this video is to learn how to host the application on a local machine so that we can attack it locally. First, you have to go into our browser here, then search for the name vulnerable bank, get out. Click on enter here. So the second one made by the Commando S, that's the one you want to clone. So click on the link here. Now this is the page of the application or the GitHub page. But first, don't forget to start the application so that we encourage him to build more labs in the application for us so that we can use to practice. Now let's give the project a start. So after giving the project a start, you can just come here, the code, click on code and copy the link here. So we will clone the application with this link on our device. Now minimize the browser, open our terminal here. So how to clone the application is you type git clone, then you paste the link here, the link that you copied from GitHub, then click on enter. Since I have the vulnerable bank already cloned on my device, they are saying destination path already exists, but if you don't have it, it will be cloned onto your device for you. Now you can just type ls to see the folders here. So this is my Von bank here. Now let's move to the folder cd Von bank. Those are the directory. Okay, cd Von bank, enter ls here. So these are the contents of the folder. You can just, since the application is using Docker, you have to first install Docker on your machine. Then we use Docker to build the image. So now you have to build the image before we can run it. So let's type sudo docker build, then -t, then the image name, let's use one hyphen bank, then dot, click on enter. So within some minutes or two, the application will be built using Docker. So now we've built an application using Docker successfully. Now you have to run the application. After building it, the command to build run the application is sudo docker compose and app -build. So with this command, it will build the application for us so that we can just access it on our local machine using our local IP address, is the port number, and the application is using the port number 5000. So let's click on enter here. Now the application is up and running, so we can just go to our browser and access this by typing our localhost IP address 127.0.0.1, then is to 5000. Click on enter. So this is the interface of the vulnerable bank application. Now we can just go here, register and create account. So let's say register, test, then the password also test, then register here. Registration successful. So let's go to the login and login, test, and the password is test. Login. So this is the interface of the application. You have the money transfer, loans, transaction history, virtual cards, bills payment, logout, and AI chatbot that you can chat with. So in our next video, we will learn how to bypass the login page using SQL injection to get access to the admin account. So don't forget to like, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss on our next video. Thank you.